Hey guys, so I've been waiting all of last week for this day, for this to finally get its windscreen repaired. And I was waiting, and then the guy's gonna go all cold turkey on me. Is it all cold turkey? What's the word? Anyways, he's not responding to me anymore. So I've had to organize someone else. And that's fine, but it's just a waste of a week. So I've got someone else coming out today to get it done. And it seems like not everyone's prices are through the roof. This one's gonna cost me like 300, which is a little bit more than what it used to be, but it's okay. So for someone to get it done today, I'm happy with that. So I'm just pulling off all the tape, and I've just got to get some wax and grease remover and remove all the residue, but that's what we'll be doing today. And so I'm also contemplating cutting up my boot. Cutting up my bonnet, just because it's already messed up and damaged. So what do you guys think? So this one would allow for the rear exhaust fumes to go out, and this one will just keep the turbo nice and cool. So inlet temps will be somewhat lower. That's the idea anyway. This is my windscreen. Complete cactus, but whilst the other guy is planning on coming today, I'm gonna go in there and scrub the crap out of it, because my dash is currently in satin clear, and it's never really been an issue, but now that I'm seeing more of the car, it's too shiny. So I'm just gonna get some Scotch-Brite and just scuff any of the coloring down, just to make it a little bit nicer. Using Scotch-Brite should work. It does work, and there's plenty of glass in the car, so I'm going to probably vacuum that as well. But this works, which I'm glad, because it was just a dumb idea in my head. And that kind of, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but you can see how shiny it is versus now it's just matte. And because, let's not get away from the fact that I'm a complete idiot, that I removed my latch without actually having a proper safety mechanism. I did have a safety mechanism, but clearly that wasn't anywhere near as strong as it had to be to prevent the bonnet from flying up and smashing into my bonnet. So I'm going to put back on the latch, but I don't want it to have the locking mechanism there. So I'm going to modify this and have no locking mechanism. So all that'll happen is it'll just latch on, and then that will probably, hopefully, be enough for it to stick. And so in the last video, we'll talk about making a bracket. So I've managed to use one. I used some, I think 3/8 piping, aluminium, and I just banged it, made the edges relatively quite flat, and it seems to work okay. Not too sure if it's in line, but it is stable. And I'll show you guys how I did that. So this is what I'm using: 5/8 tubing. This is aluminium, so that, grinder, and a hammer, and should get your job done. Also with the drill. The length, and we will bash one side. Like so. Measure. I'm doing everything by eyeball, so bend as required. Alright, so ignore the wiring. Basically, that's what it looks like. And it's a little bit more sturdy.
I don't know why the other side's a little bit more. I think it's because this one's sitting on top of a nut, so it doesn't allow it to sit as straight, as strong as possible on this side, but they'll do. I think they'll do. Compared to this side, a lot more sturdy because it's sitting flush on this piece there. So maybe I can fix that down the track. I'm not too sure. So I've been waiting all day for this windscreen guy, and he said he's on the way. That was like an hour ago. Still hasn't come yet, and we're waiting. We are just waiting. But in the meantime, I had a friend drop off his cover for his Audi RS3. I don't know enough about Audis to tell you exactly what car it is. All I know is a facelift model, and what we're doing is pretty much just masking off the top side, and then we're going to color the rest. And I showed him the DC2, and we both agreed that it's way too much happening on that one. So instead, something more like this. So how I achieved this one was, the paint was, I think I thinned out all the paint, and then with the brush I just dropped streaks. So like I said, just 1-2 streaks, different varying colors, and I'm just going to do that with his one and see how it turns out, and hopefully he likes it. Hopefully. I asked him, is there any specific colors he wants to use or anything? He said free reign, so I enjoy that. So it's like 5:30. No one has came yet. I just recently messaged him again, and I've got no response. So I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. I think I have to try to find another person. And I don't mind like people being busy because their schedule's not working, but hold on guys, please. But just communication, like just simple communication saying, hey, I'm currently running behind schedule and I have to reschedule tomorrow, or say something. But literally I've been waiting all day at home and nothing has come up. So that's unfortunate. But oh well. We've always got tomorrow. So he just tried to call me. Let's see.
Mobile glass.
Hey, I just received a missed call from you.
It's mobile auto glass, Steve. Would you? You had the Honda, yeah, the EG.
Yep.
But I swear on my life, bro, these guys they just drove in here with your glass, the supplier.
Okay.
They got me earlier, one with the EK, one EG. The problem is my guy, bro, left at 5. I swear on my life.
Okay.
That's why I was calling. Can I do it tomorrow first thing, like 9 o'clock?
First thing tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
Honest to God, bro, my guys left, bro, and then just like when I called you, these guys drove in, bro. With
Okay.
The glass, the supplier.
All right. Yeah, we'll do
The
it
main
tomorrow.
supplier didn't have it. I had to order it from someone else, then they had to order it from someone, bro. I got it sitting here.
Okay. We'll do it tomorrow morning.
Sorry about that, my bro.
All right.
See
Thank
you
you.
first thing. You
Thank
paying
you.
cars? You paying cars?
Yeah, I do some paint work. Yeah.
Some paying.
Yeah.
Look, I got a Toyota Aristo. You know what that is? Yeah, like the like Lexus GS.
Yep.
Bro, the paint, bro. Look, it's still on there. It's not painted, but you know, like it's not shiny. It's shiny, but it looks
Cloudy. Yeah.
It looks like there's something on it, like it's cloudy. Like if I put on a wedding gold, but I think they've polished it so many times, I don't think there's paint left.
Okay. Yeah. Nah. Just send me some photos and then I'll have a look.
No worries. Thank you, bro.
All right. No
Thank
worries.
you, man.
All right. Bye bye.
See you then. Bye. Bye.
Well, there you have it. So potential customer, but yeah, like I said, this kind of sucks that I didn't find out earlier. I could have done so much more with my day. So much more with my day, but oh well. All right, tomorrow.